A new Ultiem plant of SAIC General Motors was put into operation in central China's Woohan city on Wednesday. On the same day, the first batch of the Buick Electra E5 trial vehicles officially rolled off the production line at the factory. It is the company's second such factory, following the first one in Shanghai that launched in October 2021. The SAIC GM Wuhan Ultiem Center is an important step for SAIC GM to further tap into China's new energy vehicle market. By introducing high-tech and intelligent manufacturing equipment, the plant is greener and safer. Many production processes are now highly automated.
作为上汽通用汽车在电动化、智能化领域700亿投资的重点项目之一，武汉奥特能超级工厂将为奥特能平台的电池和电气系统的高品质生产提供强大的保障。
According to Wang, electric drives produced by the factory will also be sold to the global market